Come and slide with a real nigga. You want a block burner till you heard about me. Every day I'm waking up, I get that money out of it. Young hood nigga made it from the project housing. My auntie know I'm rolling dope, she got that word about me. I'm the realest nigga breathing if I die or not. They ain't Killer JoJo make me wonder why I lie. I was playing basketball when it was on the block, but now I play the block, and I play the top. I'm headed to the top, I'm aiming at your top. I run this shit, don't care if you don't fuck with me or not. I'm a real soldier with some of my homicides. So play pussy, bet your mama cry before mine. I'm from Fort Myers, young nigga, blood thicker than a stop sign. I'm the truth in my section, nigga, stop lying. I keep that fire, but on short unless I feel it's time. That throwaway off in that stolo somewhere in the pond. I'm a cool ass nigga, why you seem alarmed? Baby said if I wasn't thuggin', she be on my arm. I got money coming, I don't need the cuffin'. She a baby.
What we got going on, Cap?
A whole lot of family shit. Ooses. About to ride around. Sir. Take some random shit.
Boy, I got the school bus out. I see him back there beating.
The lights, you know his music back there.
Yeah, you know his music back there.
I see camera.
Yeah? I ain't know you mess with the music, G. Oh, man. Yeah, they were blowing that cuz, and they ain't even come through. They was back. Yeah, let's go by that way, like by the aquarium.
Out of my feelings for a bit, look what you made me do. If the roles got reversed, you'll feel crazy too. All the shit a nigga had been way overdue. But ain't no pressure, I'ma have it, what I'm supposed to do. When I get my money right, I'ma ball 100 knives. And when they see me, I'ma give it to them. These niggas cross they nuts on me, now they mad cause I'm getting cash for real. I pull up and I just give it to them. When I get my money right, I'ma ball 100 knives. And when they see me, I'ma give it to them. These niggas cross they nuts on me, now they mad cause I'm getting cash for real. I pull up and I just give it to them. I'm working way too hard to let you rob me, nigga. When I get without my niggas, I'm a problem, nigga. Remember sleeping in my car that left me starving, nigga. I put my head straight on that paper like a Harvard, nigga. Fin in and don't fold, we 10 toes. Sex, money, and murder till we get chose. I still got ice around my neck and my shit cold. I still be sliding in that Vic, blowing good dro. I don't need pop out unless I need to go. Get that money, deposit my shit and take it home. You be out here in these streets cause you real flashy. I ain't got time to be getting chased by them silver badges. When I got dragged through the mud, bitch, I stopped flagging. Hopped in that booth, I fucked up, then I turned savage. Remember when you was my dog, but you said I'm average. Now I bet a huncho, I'm the one he blasted. Kush running through my lungs cause I'm steady gassing. Shit got me stuck like refrigerator magnets. When I was broke, it hurt my feelings when I couldn't have it. Coming home to a kitchen, none up in the cabinets. Go to sleep and have a dream of when I'm living lavish. But only dreams come to a sleeper, so I stopped napping. Got on my grind, got that paper, now my phone blasting. Don't even ask me, cause when I get my money right, I'ma ball 100 knives. And when they see me, I'ma give it to them. These niggas cross they nuts on me, now they mad cause I'm getting cash for real. I pull up and I just give it to them. When I get my money right, I'ma ball 100 knives. And when they see me, I'ma give it to them. These niggas cross they nuts on me, now they mad cause I'm getting cash for real. I pull up and I just give it to them.
Hey, yo, Wavy, where you at, nigga? Yes, sir.
Strictly for the pencil players right here. You know what I'm saying? Lemon pepper sprinkles. Every time I step out. On this beat, I'm floating, I be coasting. Shit, I'm rolling till I crap out. Mind your business, shit, no need to know my whereabouts. Surrounded by some niggas that I care about, for real. She tell me that she love me, I tell her that just fine. She say that I'm too cocky, I told that bitch that she ain't lying. But see, my confidence is a compliment to all my struggles. Now go on and pop that pussy before I pop your bubble. She tell me that I'm super dope, I can never say the whole shit. Love to play the games, I stay the same. Cause she can't play me though, grew when you start breathing fire. But she can never slay me though, this dick ain't free and it ain't cheap. So baby got to pay me though, easy like 1, 2, 3. I swear this shit forever, no 5, I pass the shine. Shit big 6 and heavy 7, yeah. All my niggas rockin' rollin', yeah, that heavy metal. And if it ain't about that money, then it don't see my schedule. Nah, for real. Say nah, for real. Nah, for real. It ain't no slipping in my pimpin'. Don't worry about what's in my cup. It shall run it over, and I shall run it up. Shit, I'm tired of penny pinching, flirting with some bigger bucks. And like I found what's putting down, man, this shit is picking up. X marks the spot, and I'm just looking for the treasure. Timing a little off, but I could be a little better. Shit, plain Jane for my team, old school for my riders. Buy up a bunch of land and buy my mama them some houses. She like Meg, I ain't too proud to beg. Her baby is a stallion, from the projects to the jet. So when I fly, girl, it be private. If shit mine, she down the ride. She ain't worried about no mileage. I'm like Gates, I got 6 jobs. I can't afford to be too tired. I'm too focused on the grind, la baby. That's just how I'm wired. Shit, I'm out here killing shit for real until my time expire. Out here shooting for the stars. I hit the moon, I ain't too high. Approach me with some grace and address me as your highness. Back to me, just vibe. Told y'all I be sliding. Parker 67 and I'm here to cause a riot. Ain't a drop of water, you can get that drip to start this fire. Man, I should've been a flame. Man, I swear that I'm too fly. Probably should've been a pilot. Man, I swear that I'm too fly. P don't play with him, he ain't one of them. On God, I ain't that guy. Still more forever laced. I'ma always have my ties. Niggas say they do it big, but it ain't no better size than it for real. Say nah, for real. Say nah, for real.
T-Love made the beat.
Tonight, man, none other than the realest, the best, the rawest, the coolest, the sharpest in the ATL, man. Kickback legends. You know what I'm saying? We done pulled up to take pics, videos, everything, bro. Excuse the copyright, we're not gonna own the right to finesse 2 times music. We just out here flicking it up, getting some video and everything, then we're gonna be on our merry little way, you know what I'm saying? This we out here with. We got Big G right here. We got Mac in the Colorado. By the way, everybody out here older than me. We got Bam, Kodak, Keyjohn, Cuz. Yo, man, y'all get this shit together, man. Get it together, goddammit. Get it together. Get it together, goddammit. Oh! From the top ropes! Man, I want to show y'all how these boys put this photo shoot / video shoot together, bro. Kodak is an orchestrator when it comes to this. Hold up, man. All right, so boom. You got Keyjohn and his cousin right here. Then, on this side, you got Kodak, AKA Oos. See the Oos on the front of the truck. And you got Bam. And then, on this side, you got Big G, and you got Matt on the other side. Gonna be some blow gaskets out there, motherfuckers, boy. Y'all doing burnouts. Ain't nobody trucks clean or none of that.
It rained today, shit.
Yeah, he came from the back of the building, bro. I ain't no lie.
Carry now.
Hell nah. I'm come over and ask y'all niggas for some money in a minute. All right, man, we done made it to the deck. As y'all can see, we out here. Got DJ right here. Got Bam. Where we at, Bam?
Well, we down in the city, you know what I'm saying? Atlanta.
Yeah.
Atlanta.
Yeah.
Not Atlanta.
Okay.
Yeah, this.
Everybody out here, and this cold is on the what up here? At the top, boy. At the top, it's just us, nigga. This your first time tuning in to the channel, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, bro. Hit that bell, hit all so you don't miss another video. This is my gang right here, Kickback Legends ATL. This is my present. This is my Prezi right here. You know what I'm saying? That's the sergeant at arms right there with the black. You know what I'm saying? And we just out here chilling, we vibing, you know what I'm saying? We sliding through the city, just how we slide through the city.
Hey, if you need a lawyer in Atlanta, boy, holler at the boy right there. James Patterson, boy.
Y'all see him back there?
Celebrity lawyer.
On a billboard, okay. Hold up, gotta turn around that way to do it.
They got my boy dismissed.
There you go.
Few of them.
Criminal defense, auto accidents, personal injury. All I do is win, 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 no matter what. TheFlyLawyer.com. We'll get back at y'all in a minute though, man. Too much copyright going on right now, and I do not want this video to get striked, and I don't want to play too much music over it. Go to the left. Go to the left. Oh, the right, yeah, go to the right. Come on, to the right, brother. To the right, come on, to the right. Come on, swing it to the left now. All right, right there. Don't turn it all the way. Come on. All right, you Gucci, come on. Come on with it. Come on, straighten out. Come all the way to the left. To the left. Come on down. All right, come on straight. Come straight. Keep it straight. All right, to the right. You good, bro. You good. Go to the right. Yeah, you ain't even by the curve. Let's go. You straight up top. You good up top. Yeah, you good up top, bro. You got the space. Come on down. Come on down. You gotta swing to the left a little bit. All right, to the right. Keep it straight, keep it straight. Bang to the right. Come on, Big G. To the right, Big G. To the right. Come on. Come on down. Keep it straight, keep it straight. Turn the wheel straight, yeah. Come on straight, keep coming straight. Keep coming straight. Bang to the right, to the right. You good up top, you good up top, you good. I ain't gonna let you hit. Go on to the right. You good, you got space up top. It just look like that on the inside. Oh, you good, bro. To the right. Come straight. Alright, so peak game, man. We out here, we done blocked the entire street off, bro. Y'all see how Kickback Legends get down. Y'all can't say Kickback Legends ain't the latest truck crew out in ATL right now, boy. Y'all see how we get down, man. We in front of the thing on State Farm Arena, man. I mean, the Mercedes-Benz Dome, bro. Come on, bro. Look at my dogs. Look at my boys. Oh, y'all see we out here. Yeah, we out here. It's one of them type of nights. It's one of them type of nights for sure. We are going up on a Saturday. Look at Big Dog in the XL. Look at Big Dog in the XL posted.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Follow me on the gram.
Look, he ain't want to move until we came over here.
Yeah,
now he want to move.
Hold up, follow me on the gram. Cousin Kiji.
Pull it up. Pull it up for
Let me
him.
see what we looking like. That's that right there. You know what I'm saying? Follow me. Good content, both vehicles.
Yes, sir.
This ain't the only one. You know what I'm saying? Just right. Tell that boy bust my right. Yeah, he think he good.
Yeah. And what, say you want to get in the picture? You want to get in the picture? Y'all want to get in the picture?
Hey, guess what, y'all? I got some Wi-Fi.
I bet you do.
Bro, we should have been came to this motherfucker. Nigga got
You been looking for Wi-Fi for how long?
Man, I've been looking for Wi-Fi since 10 o'clock. In this goddamn 101, damn it.
That ain't one of them. That ain't him, bro.
That boy tired. That boy is sleeping.
But yeah, man, we out here in front of the Mercedes-Benz Dome, Gate 3. Pull up, Kickback Legends way. Y'all see us. Prezi out here. We got him. We had to kidnap this fool from the shop. I'm telling you, he wasn't going. But turn around, my brother. If you need your ceramic coatings and detailing, hit up my dog, Bam. 470-894-9115.
Wow, and I give you 20% off.
If you mention Ken's Lifestyle.
Wow, it ain't cheap either.
Yes, sir. But yeah, man, if this your first time tuning into the channel, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and hit all so you don't miss another video, man. I'll get back at y'all in a minute. 100. All right, y'all see it. Y'all see it, man. We officially got the street blocked off. We got the street blocked off. We got the orchestrator right here, Oos Gang Kodak. Tell them where we at, Kodak. Yes, sir. My dog orchestrated this.
Eagle.
Yep.
We finna kill some birds and more, man.
Yes, sir. Y'all see we out here lined up. Hey, in the next clip, I'm gonna have these boys burn out and take off for y'all. Yes, sir. We going from this right here to the light. Whoever get there first gets the ticket. Look at him. He focused. He focused. Go ahead, Big G, man. We keep it raw on this channel. We keep it raw on this channel, Big G. Yeah, boy, everybody got their phone.